Hello family, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful crochet look all by myself. So if you're looking forward to see how I achieve it, then you want to consider watching this video to the end, guys. And don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share it as well with your friends and family. I'm going to start off by sectioning the part of my hair where the crisscross braid is going to be, and then just cornrow the rest of it all back. So when you're cornrowing it, you want to make sure you're not cornrowing your hair too tight, or if somebody is doing it for you, make sure they are not cornrowing it too tight. So this is a very good protective style if you want to grow your hair or you're looking forward to grow your edges. This is a very nice style and very beautiful as well. So I'm just going to remove the edges of my hair and just cornrow the rest of it all back. So if you can notice, you see that I did pull the front of my hair a little bit back before I start to cornrow it. The reason being, I want my hair to be protected in the first place, and secondly, it looks more nice and beautiful when you are done with your crochet. So when you pull it, especially for people that have like low hairline, when you have a low hairline and then you pull a little bit of your braid before you cornrow your hair, it looks more natural and beautiful when you're done with the crochet. So you're going to see that as we go along. Guys, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up if you know I'm doing good on my videos, and you subscribe to my channel. That way you can help me to grow as well, and leave down your comment on any style that you would love to see me do on my channel. So I'm still left with one or two cornrows, but I'm gonna go ahead first to do my crisscross braid. That way I see how it's coming out, and then I know if I want to have a crisscross braid or I just want to cornrow everything and do my crochet. So I'm gonna go ahead first to do the crisscross, and then I'll come back and finish my cornrow. I decided to put one cornrow in between my crisscross braid. You can design your crisscross braid in any style that you like. There are so many ways to do crisscross braid, and anything that you do, especially for crisscross, trust me, it looks good. You don't need to do it in any particular way. You can just do it any way that you like, and it's still going to come out nice. I actually did love the finished look of this my crisscross braid. It was looking so nice. And guys, when you are doing the crisscross braid, you want to make sure you are not like tightening the under, because rubber band will break your hair as well. And when you're taking it out, be careful, it really breaks the hair. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest cornrow and just start to crochet my hair. So I'm done with the crochet and everything turned out so nice, guys. So you can see the front of it when I pull it before cornrowing it a little bit. That way my hair is not going to break, my edges are all protected, and it's not tied in the front. Now I'm just going to lay my edges and tie the rest down, and you're going to see the finished look. And here is the end result of this beautiful protective style. I really love it, and guys, trust me, I have so many compliments everywhere I go. Like, people couldn't believe that I did this all by myself, and I myself, I was so surprised the way it came out, and I love it because I really did make a good choice for myself to do this hairstyle. I think it looks nice on me, guys. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.